The F-35 Lightning II, a pinnacle of modern military aviation. The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation multi-role fighter aircraft that represents a pinnacle of modern military aviation. Developed under the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program, the F-35 was designed to fulfill diverse operational needs, combining cutting-edge stealth capabilities, advanced avionics, and multi-role versatility. Produced by Lockheed Martin with contributions from numerous international partners, the F-35 stands as a technological marvel, integrating innovations that redefine the possibilities of air combat. This video explores the F-35's journey from concept to reality, delving into its development history, technical specifications, unique capabilities, and role in reshaping global defense strategies. The F-35 Lightning II emerged from the Joint Strike Fighter (JSF) program, an ambitious initiative launched in the 1990s to develop a versatile, cost-effective, and technologically advanced multi-role fighter. The program was driven by the need to replace aging aircraft fleets, such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon, A-10 Thunderbolt II, F/A-18 Hornet, and AV-8B Harrier II, with a single platform that could perform various roles across multiple branches of the U.S. military and allied forces. Purpose: the JSF program aimed to reduce costs and increase interoperability by creating a common aircraft design with variants tailored to specific service needs. Competitors: in 1996, Lockheed Martin and Boeing were awarded contracts to develop prototypes under the concept demonstration phase. Lockheed Martin's X-35 competed against Boeing's X-32. Selection: in 2001, the X-35 was chosen as the winning design due to its superior performance, including the ability to meet the challenging short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) requirements for the U.S. Marine Corps. Stealth: to provide unmatched stealth capabilities for operations in contested airspaces. Multi-role capability: to serve as a fighter, bomber, and reconnaissance platform. Interoperability: to enable joint operations across allied forces. Affordability: to reduce lifecycle costs through shared design elements and economies of scale. 2001-2006, early design and testing. Lockheed Martin refined the X-35 design, incorporating feedback from initial testing. Advanced systems such as the Pratt and Whitney F135 engine and stealth coatings were developed and integrated. 2006-2011, flight testing and initial production. The first F-35 prototype flew in 2006, marking the beginning of an extensive flight test program. Development faced delays and cost overruns as engineers worked to perfect its cutting-edge systems. 2011-2015, initial operational capability (IOC). The F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C variants underwent rigorous testing, with the Marine Corps declaring IOC for the F-35B in 2015. 2015, present, full production and deployment. The F-35 entered full-rate production, with hundreds of units delivered to the U.S. military and allied nations. Upgrades and enhancements continue to improve its capabilities. The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter, combining advanced technology, versatility, and combat effectiveness. Designed to excel in a variety of missions, the F-35 boasts a range of impressive technical features that distinguish it as a cornerstone of modern air power. Length: 51.4 feet, 15.7 meters. Wingspan: 35 feet, 10.7 meters. For the F-35A and F-35C, 33 feet, 10 meters for the F-35B. Height: 14.4 feet, 4.4 meters. Weight: empty, approximately 29,000 pounds, 13,154 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight: 70,000 pounds, 31,751 kilograms. For the F-35A and F-35C, 60,000 pounds, 27,216 kilograms. For the F-35B. Engine: Pratt and Whitney F135. Thrust: 43,000 pounds of thrust, 191 kN at maximum power. Features: single engine design for reduced maintenance. Thrust vectoring nozzle for short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL, in the F-35B variant. Performance: max speed, Mach 1.6, approximately 1,200 miles per hour, or 1,930 kilometers per h. Range: F-35A, 1,350 nautical miles, 2,200 kilometers. F-35B, 900 nautical miles, 1,450 kilometers. F-35C, 1,200 nautical miles, 1,930 kilometers. Operational ceiling: 50,000 feet, 15,240 meters. Radar system: AN/APG-81, Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar. Provides long-range target tracking and high-resolution imaging. Electro-optical targeting system (EOTS). Combines forward-looking infrared, FLIR, and laser target designation for precision targeting. Distributed aperture system (DAS). 6 infrared cameras provide 360 degrees situational awareness and missile warning. Sensor fusion integrates data from multiple sources to provide pilots with a comprehensive battlefield picture. Low observable design. Special coatings, internal weapon storage, and unique shapes to reduce radar cross-section, RCS. Electronic warfare suite provides electronic attack and defense capabilities, including jamming and threat detection. Infrared signature reduction minimizes heat emissions to evade heat-seeking missiles. Internal payload: 2 internal bays for stealth missions. Configurable for up to 5,700 pounds, 2,590 kilograms of ordnance. External payload: additional hardpoints for non-stealth missions, enabling a total payload of 22,000 pounds, 10,000 kilograms. Weapons compatibility: air-to-air missiles, AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-9X Sidewinder. Air-to-ground weapons, JDAM, SDB, AGM-154 Joint Standoff Weapon. Gun system, 25 mm GAU-22, a rotary cannon, internal on F-35A, external pod for F-35B and F-35C. F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing, CTOL, for air superiority and strike missions. F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL, for amphibious and expeditionary operations. F-35C, carrier-based version with larger wings and reinforced landing gear for naval operations. Data link systems. Multifunction advanced data link, MEDL, for secure communication with other F-35s. Link 16 for interoperability with other allied platforms. Battlefield connectivity. Acts as a sensor node in network-centric warfare. Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALIS. Manages maintenance, mission planning, and supply chain operations. Durability. Designed for 8,000+ flight hours, with robust materials and coatings for extreme conditions. The F-35's technical specifications reflect its role as a game-changing fighter capable of dominating modern battlefields. Its advanced systems, powerful engine, and stealth capabilities enable it to perform missions ranging from air superiority to precision strike with unprecedented effect. Overview of the F-35 Lightning II variants and capabilities. The F-35 Lightning II is designed to fulfill the operational requirements of multiple military services and allied nations. It comes in 3 primary variants, each tailored to specific mission profiles and operational environments. While these variants share common core technologies and capabilities, they are uniquely equipped to meet the needs of the U.S. Air Force, Marine Corps, Navy, and partner nations. The F-35 Lightning II stands apart as a 5th-generation multi-role stealth fighter designed to deliver unmatched versatility and dominance in modern air combat. Its unique features and capabilities make it a transformative asset in military operations worldwide. Stealth technology. Low observable design. The F-35's shape, coatings, and internal weapon storage minimize its radar cross-section, RCS, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Infrared signature reduction. Specialized materials and engine design reduce heat emissions, making it harder to detect with infrared sensors. Integrated stealth maintenance. The aircraft incorporates coatings and materials that require less upkeep than earlier stealth platforms like the F-22 Raptor. 2. Advanced sensor fusion. Data integration. The F-35 combines inputs from its multiple sensors, providing pilots with a comprehensive and real-time operational picture. Enhanced situational awareness. Displays critical battlefield information in a user-friendly interface, allowing pilots to focus on mission execution. Multi-domain capabilities. Shares fused data with allied forces and command centers, acting as a key node in network-centric warfare. 3. Distributed Aperture System, DAS. 360 degrees situational awareness. 6 infrared cameras mounted around the aircraft provide full spherical coverage, allowing pilots to detect and track threats in any direction. Enhanced pilot vision. The DAS system feeds data directly to the Helmet-Mounted Display System, HMDS, enabling pilots to see through the aircraft and monitor their surroundings. 4. Helmet-Mounted Display System, HMDS. Augmented Reality Interface. The HMDS replaces traditional cockpit displays, projecting key flight and combat data directly onto the pilot's visor. Integrated night vision. Night vision capabilities are built into the helmet, reducing the need for additional equipment. Off-bore sight targeting. Pilots can lock onto targets by simply looking at them, enabling faster and more intuitive weapon deployment. 5. Multi-role versatility. Air-to-air combat. Equipped with advanced missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder for superior air superiority. Air-to-ground operations. Compatible with precision-guided munitions, such as JDAMs and SDBs for surgical strikes. Reconnaissance and surveillance. Advanced sensors and data-sharing capabilities enable the F-35 to act as an intelligence-gathering platform. Electronic warfare, EW. Disrupts enemy radar, communications, and weapon systems while defending itself against electronic threats. 6. Vertical takeoff and landing, STOVL capability, F-35B. Lift fan technology. Allows the F-35B to perform vertical landings and short takeoffs, enabling operations from amphibious ships and improvised airstrips. Flexibility and deployment. Can operate in remote locations with limited infrastructure, enhancing rapid response capabilities. 7. Carrier-based operations, F-35C. Reinforced airframe. Designed to withstand the stresses of catapult launches and arrested landings. Extended range. Larger internal fuel tanks provide greater range for maritime missions. Foldable wings. Optimized for efficient storage on aircraft carriers. 8. Supersonic speed with full stealth. Performance without compromise. Achieves speeds up to Mach 1.6 while maintaining full stealth capabilities, a feature rare in modern fighter jets. 9. Network-centric warfare capabilities. Multifunction Advanced Data Link, MADL. Enables secure communication between F-35s for coordinated operations. Interoperability with allies. Supports data exchange with older platforms via Link 16 and other communication protocols. Acting as a force multiplier. Acts as a command and control node, sharing battlefield intelligence across multiple platforms. 10. Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALIS. Streamlined maintenance. ALIS tracks aircraft health, maintenance needs, and operational readiness. Predictive analytics. Enables preemptive repairs and reduces downtime, ensuring maximum availability. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most widely deployed fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighters in the world. It plays a critical role in enhancing the operational capabilities of numerous air forces, navies, and Marine Corps across the globe. Its deployment reflects a combination of advanced technology, strategic versatility, and interoperability among allied nations. 1. Countries operating the F-35. The F-35 is currently operated by numerous countries, each employing the aircraft to meet specific defense. United States. Largest operator with all 3 variants in service. F-35A for the U.S. Air Force. F-35B for the U.S. Marine Corps. F-35C for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. Partner nations. Early contributors to the Joint Strike Fighter, JSF program. United Kingdom, F-35B for the Royal Air Force, RAF, and Royal Navy. Italy, F-35A and F-35B for the Italian Air Force and Navy. Australia, F-35A for the Royal Australian Air Force, RAF. Norway, F-35A for Arctic defense and NATO operations. Netherlands, F-35A for the Royal Netherlands Air Force. Foreign military sales, FMS. Nations purchasing F-35S through U.S. government agreements. Japan, F-35A and plans for F-35B to operate from converted helicopter carriers. South Korea, F-35A for regional security. Israel, custom F-35I Adir variant tailored for Israeli needs. Others, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, Poland, Singapore, and others. The F-35 is designed to perform a wide range of missions, including air superiority, engages and dominates enemy aircraft with stealth and advanced avionics. Close air support, CAS. Supports ground troops with precision-guided munitions and real-time intelligence. Strike missions. Executes deep strike operations with precision weapons in contested environments. Reconnaissance and surveillance. Provides real-time intelligence using its advanced sensor suite and data sharing capabilities. Electronic warfare. Disrupts enemy communication and radar systems while defending itself against electronic threats. Maritime operations. The F-35C supports carrier strike groups, while the F-35B enables amphibious assault operations. The F-35 plays a pivotal role in modern defense strategies. Power projection. Demonstrates air superiority in contested regions, such as the Indo-Pacific and Europe. Alliance integration. Enhances interoperability among NATO and allied forces for coordinated operations. Deterrence. Serves as a critical deterrent against potential adversaries with its stealth and multi-role capabilities. Rapid response. The F-35B's short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL capability, allows it to operate from remote locations and austere airfields. Arctic and extreme conditions. Nations like Norway and Canada use the F-35 for operations in challenging environments. Combat experience. The F-35 has been deployed in real-world combat scenarios by several nations, including Israel, F-35I Adir used in precision strikes and intelligence missions in the Middle East. United States, deployed in operations against terrorist organizations and for strategic deterrence. Joint exercises. The F-35 participates in multinational exercises such as Red Flag and Northern Edge, demonstrating its interoperability and combat effectiveness. Maritime integration. The F-35B operates from amphibious assault ships such as the USS America and HMS Queen Elizabeth, expanding the operational reach of naval forces. Despite its success, the F-35 program faces ongoing challenges. Maintenance and logistics. High operational costs and reliance on the Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALAS, have raised concerns among operators. Pilot training. The advanced systems require extensive pilot training and simulation support. Operational costs. The F-35's cost per flight hour remains higher than originally projected, though efforts are underway to reduce expenses. While the F-35 Lightning II represents a significant leap in aviation technology, its development, deployment, and operational use have been accompanied by several challenges and criticisms. These issues highlight the complexities of producing an advanced fighter aircraft that aims to meet diverse global military requirements. Initial projections versus reality. The F-35 program, originally estimated to cost $233 billion, has exceeded $400 billion, making it the most expensive weapon system in history. Lifecycle costs, including maintenance and upgrades, are projected to surpass $1.7 trillion over its operational lifespan. Criticism. Many stakeholders, including government officials and defense analysts, question whether the F-35 delivers sufficient value for its cost. Smaller nations have faced challenges justifying the financial burden of acquisition and operation. Timeline issues. The program has experienced repeated delays, with the aircraft entering service years behind schedule. Technical hurdles. Stealth coatings, sensor fusion, and advanced avionics posed unexpected engineering challenges, contributing to delays. Impact. These delays have forced some countries to extend the service life of older aircraft, increasing overall defense costs. Cost per flight hour. Estimated at $36,000, $44,000 per flight hour, the F-35's operating costs remain significantly higher than initially promised. Maintenance complexity. Advanced stealth coatings and sensitive electronics require specialized maintenance facilities and highly trained personnel. Logistics system criticisms. The Autonomic Logistics Information System, ALS, intended to streamline maintenance and logistics, faced significant issues, including poor reliability and cybersecurity concerns. Its successor, Operational Data Integrated Network, ODIN, aims to address these shortcomings but is still under development. Flight limitations. Some variants, such as the F-35B, have faced heat-related issues during vertical landings, affecting their performance in hot environments. Maneuverability in certain flight conditions has been criticized as inferior to fourth-generation fighters like the F-16. Payload capacity. While internal weapon bays enable stealth, they limit payload capacity compared to non-stealth configurations. The external mounting of additional weapons compromises stealth. Software issues. The F-35 operates with millions of lines of code, making it susceptible to bugs and requiring constant updates. Early software versions failed to deliver promised capabilities, leading to additional testing and revisions. Helmet-Mounted Display System, HMDS. Although advanced, early versions of the HMDS faced issues such as lag and misalignment, which could affect pilot performance in combat. Operational restrictions. Exported F-35s include restricted capabilities to prevent sensitive technologies from being compromised. Supply chain dependencies. The program relies on a global supply chain, making it vulnerable to geopolitical tensions and delays in component delivery. Turkey's removal. Turkey, originally a key partner, was removed from the program due to its purchase of Russian S-400 missile systems, disrupting production schedules. Custom modifications. Some countries, like Israel, have had to customize their F-35s, for example, the F-35I Adir, to meet specific operational needs, leading to additional costs. Procurement challenges. Nations such as Canada and Denmark faced public backlash over the decision to procure F-35s, citing cost concerns and debates over alternatives. The F-35 Lightning II represents a monumental leap in military aviation, integrating advanced stealth, sensor fusion, and multi-role capabilities into a single, versatile platform. As a fifth-generation fighter, it has transformed the way modern air forces operate, offering unmatched situational awareness, precision, and adaptability across a wide range of missions. However, the journey of the F-35 has been marked by both significant achievements and notable challenges. From budget overruns and development delays to criticisms about operating costs and performance, the program has faced scrutiny at every stage. Despite these hurdles, the F-35 continues to solidify its place as a cornerstone of global defense strategies, with ongoing improvements addressing many of its early shortcomings.